Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and this is my Nanoleaf light bulb. I love them. They come 3 in a pack. So they are the Nanoleaf Essentials. This is a awesome light bulb for a smart bulb. There's a lot of smart bulbs out there, but I love this one. This one works with my Siri, so I can tell Siri to change the color of my light. I can tell her to dim my lights. I can tell her to turn the lights off or turn the lights on. That's one of the things that I really love about this light bulb. But not only that, this light bulb has a long lifespan, 25,000 hours. And I usually keep them on dim, so the length of life for this light bulb is exactly what I need. I don't want to have to always constantly change light bulbs, so this is the perfect light bulb. It's very sturdy, it has a nice feel to it, it has a nice design to it, and it's just the perfect smart light bulb. So another thing that I really like about this smart light bulb, when I have them placed around different parts of my home, I can set them to turn off, I can set them to turn on in the morning, I can dim them around dinner time. I really love these light bulbs. They're great for practical use and saving money and time. So like me, I have a need for smart bulbs in my workspace, and this bulb is the perfect light bulb for me. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.